Best renter-friendly smart home devices under $100. Best renter-friendly smart home devices under $100. Living in a rental property doesn't mean you have to miss out on the convenience and efficiency of smart home technology. Many renters hesitate to invest in home automation because they worry about installation requirements, security deposits, or leaving permanent changes when they move. The good news? There's a thriving market of plug-and-play smart devices that require zero installation cost under $100 and can move with you to your next place. Whether you're in an apartment, townhouse, or rented single-family home, these affordable gadgets will transform your living space without upsetting your landlord. Smart plugs, the gateway to automation. If you're new to smart home technology, smart plugs are the perfect entry point. These small devices plug directly into your existing outlets and let you control any plugged-in appliance remotely through your smartphone. A coffee maker, lamp, fan, or space heater can instantly become smart without any wiring or installation. Smart plugs typically cost between $15 and $35, making them one of the most affordable ways to dip your toes into home automation. You can set schedules, create routines, and even monitor energy usage for devices that previously had no digital controls. For renters, this is ideal because there's nothing permanent about the setup. You simply unplug and take them with you when you move. Smart speakers and voice assistants. A smart speaker serves as the command center for your entire smart home ecosystem. Devices like Amazon Echo Dot, Google Home Mini, and similar budget-friendly options are often available for under $50, especially during sales. These speakers let you control other smart devices with voice commands, play music, check weather, set timers, and answer questions hands-free. For renters, the appeal is obvious. You place it on a shelf or nightstand, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're done. No drilling, no permanent installation, and no landlord concerns. Many renters find that a smart speaker becomes their favorite device because it creates a central hub for all their other smart gadgets. Smart light bulbs for ambience and control. Traditional light switches require electrical work that renters simply can't do. But smart bulbs sidestep this problem entirely. These bulbs screw into your existing fixtures just like regular bulbs. But they connect to your Wi-Fi and can be controlled remotely, dimmed, and even changed to different colors, depending on the model. You'll find quality options from brands like Philips, LIFX, and Wyze in the $10 to $50 range per bulb. Smart bulbs let you automate lighting, schedules, create scenes for different moods, and even set them to turn on when you arrive home. When you move out, you simply unscrew them and take them with you. This is one of the most renter-friendly smart home upgrades available. Smart thermostats. Comfort without commitment. Heating and cooling costs are often a renter's biggest utility expense, making a smart thermostat an attractive investment. However, many smart thermostats require professional installation, which isn't an option for renters. The solution: look for portable, plug-in smart heaters and air conditioning units that you can control with your phone. Alternatively, some newer smart thermostat models are designed for easier installation that doesn't require rewiring, though you should always check with your landlord first if a full thermostat isn't feasible. A smart space heater or portable air conditioning unit controlled by a smart plug offers similar benefits at a lower price point and zero installation hassle. Smart door locks and security cameras. Security is a top concern for renters, and smart devices can help without permanent changes. Smart video doorbells let you see who's at your door from anywhere, while some models include two-way audio so you can communicate with visitors. These typically cost $50 to $100 and install over your existing doorbell wiring, or they come with battery-powered options that require no wiring at all. Similarly, portable security cameras that sit on shelves or windowsills provide peace of mind without drilling holes or running cables through walls. These devices are invaluable for renters who want to monitor their space, verify deliveries, or check on pets while away. Smart plugs for entertainment and convenience. Beyond basic appliance control, smart plugs unlock creative possibilities for entertainment and convenience. Plug your TV, sound system, or gaming console into a smart plug to control power remotely and set up automation routines. Some people use smart plugs to control humidifiers, fans, or aquarium pumps on a schedule. The versatility is remarkable, and the low cost means you can experiment without worry. For renters specifically, this flexibility is a game changer because you're not locked into one use case. You can adapt your setup as your needs change. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.